16 cube plus 24 cube plus 32 cube plus 40 cube upon 16 times 24 times 32 times 40. We have to evaluate it without using calculator. So let's try. Now 16 we can write it as 8 times 2, then it is cube, so whole raised to the power of 3, plus 24 8 times 3, then whole raised to the power of 3, plus 32 as 8 times 4, then whole raised to the power 3, plus 40 as 8 times 5, then whole raised to the power of 3, then upon again 16 as 8 times 2, 24 as 8 times 3, 32 as 8 times 4, and 40 as 8 times 5. Now when a times b whole raised to the power of m, it is equal to a to the power m times b to the power m. So using this identity, we can write here 8 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3 plus 8 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3 plus 8 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3 plus 8 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 3 upon, here we have 4 times 8, so we can write 8 to the power 4, then times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Now here we can take 8 to the power 3 common and write 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 plus 4 to the power 3 and plus 5 to the power 3 upon 8 to the power 4 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Now this and this gets cancelled and 8 is remaining, because when a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So it will be 8 raised to the power 3 minus 4. It will be 8 raised to the power minus 1, and a raised to the power minus m, it is equal to multiplicative inverse of the base raised to the positive power of the exponent. So it will be 1 upon a raised to the power n. So it is 1 upon 8. Now we have 2 cube is 8 plus 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, and 5 cube is 125. Then upon 8 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, we add it, it is 224 upon 8 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. Let's factorize 224. 4 times 5 is 20 and 4 times 6 is 24. Again 4. So 4 times 4 times 2 times 7, we can write 224. 4 times 4 times 2 times 7 upon 8 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. 2 and 2 here gets cancelled. 4 and 4 cancelled. 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 7 upon 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 30. So 7 upon 30 is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.